Brian is a wonderful speaker, and he really does a good job. He's a believer. Everything he says, you know that he's really feeling it.
Brian is a very engaging person. He's very credible, he's professional, and he's a good communicator, which really helps.
Before we can talk about changing our culture, we've got to change how we think.
That's the third time I've seen this presentation. I just take notes every time, learn something new every time.
I was taking notes the whole time about ideas that I can incorporate with my teams and the people that I work with on a daily basis.
My presentation is centered around practical, hands-on ideas that audience members can apply the day they get back to bring their company's culture to a whole new level. It's fast-paced, it's fun, it's engaging, and I interact with the audience. I draw them in, I'll ask them questions, I'll get their input. I take time to talk to my host, to learn about the audience, and to customize the presentation to the needs of that audience.
He delivers it with a sense of passion, which keeps you involved.
His leadership style is through demonstration, and he has taken what should be done and given examples and made it very attainable.
Don't leave your opinion leaders, your frontline managers, your frontline employees out. You've got to bring them in. The real action of any presentation happens when the speaker and the audience get to interact. So I don't do canned presentations. I don't like canned presentations. Everything is tailored to your audience.
We like to pride ourselves on our culture, and one of the reasons that I like to hear Brian speak is that he talks a lot about company culture and how important that is to him.
Culture is nothing more than the convergence of people and process working in harmony.
He connects on a personal level because he's not sharing a philosophy that he has. He's sharing best practices that have worked for his organization.
His leadership principles apply across all industries.
You want me to be safe or productive? One or the other. That's a bunch of bull. It's both. Because if we're not productive, we're out of business. Then we'll be really safe because we'll never run another truck. I'm not there to lecture them. I'm not there to give them theoretical advice. I'm there to give them hands-on ideas, tangible value. Going through the same experience as them gives me a unique way and a unique ability to understand and relate to the audience. I like to put them to work. I like them to take the ideas, internalize them, and own them. You've got to focus on easy to implement, high-value ideas.
The real question to ask is, who are you when no one's looking? And Brian Fielkow is the real deal. Outstanding presentation, outstanding message, and he should be on the road every week sharing it with corporate leadership around the world.
I thank you so much, and I wish you all the best as you lead people safely. Thank you.